With April 15th approaching, tax season is just starting to heat up. To help not only Syracuse students, but also members of the local community, members of the Beta Alpha Psi Accounting Society are offering free assistance in filling out tax returns. Faculty advisor Mitchell Franklin says that the service is extremely practical for the average individual.
Whether you're an accountant or not, you need to understand the tax laws, you need to understand tax rules. And not every account's perfect. You need to understand what you're reporting to the IRS, because whether you do it yourself or whether you have an accountant do it, you're the one who's responsible if there's a problem and it's done wrong.
Franklin says that Beta Alpha Psi, or BAP, has been offering this assistance for at least 15 years. BAP students go through a training session to help individuals set up the basic tax return in hopes that they will be able to take that information to not only properly file it on their own, but also do it without help in the future. BAP President Adriana Romay says that there are many factors that go into the process.
It depends on how many dependents you have. It depends if you're going to claim tax credits. It depends if you're going to have tax deductibles, if you're going to have an itemized deduction. It all depends on what kind of deductions that you're doing, and that shows what kind of form you're going to fill out. If you have a business, something like that, you would have a completely different form.
Even if some of the jargon is over your head, Franklin says that filing tax returns is easier than you think.
If you don't have a business or accounting background, tax can be scary. So it's sort of helping them alleviate the fear and showing them how easy the process really is.
Not sure how much you owe to the IRS this year? Stop by the atrium in Whitman tomorrow from 1 to 4 p.m. and for the next 2 Fridays for free assistance on your tax returns. For Citrus TV News, I'm Molly Smith.